Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Fishing with Badger, and this evening we're out fishing the Beaver River and we're just casting for smallmouth, and with any luck we'll do some good. So stick around, guys. So guys, today we're going to be using these Nikko Hellgrammites. They're a 3-inch Hellgrammite, and we're going to be using a Ned rig head, and we're just going to cast around these shorelines in the river and see what we can come up with. Oh, I got one.
There you go.
Little guy. There we go, guys. Little smallmouth. There's a fish, guys. Whoop. Yeah, he got off. There's a fish, guys. There we go. There we go, guys. Nice little Smallie. Yeah, I caught 2. And I lost another one. Nothing big. There was one chasing the other one when it came in. Did you? Yeah, that's where I was getting them too. You drift back so fast.
Oh, hard to cast, and then you know you're 10 feet down.
Yeah.
I think you'll be able to get through those rocks today.
You think so? They get off a lot, don't they? Seems like you lose a bunch of them. I lost one right on the front hatch of my boat.
I just think like the current weird and stuff, not like.
Oh, there we go. Very good, Jeff. Oh, he got off. You see how big he was? That was a monster. Gonna get one right under your kayak here. There's one. I'm gonna try this little current here. we go, guys. Here we go, guys. Little Smallie. There's a fish, guys. We got, that's a nicer one. Ooh. There we go, guys. Here we go, guys. Nice Smallie. Yeah, my weight is a little bit too light for this, and I don't have another weight with me, but I'm having to jig it extremely slow to try to keep it down a little bit. There's a fish, guy. There we go, guys. There's a fish, guys. Here we go, guys. Smallmouth. This one. Oh. There we go, guys. The fish, guys. Oop. There's a fish, guys. Got that on a 6-cent swim tail. There we go, guys. I cast it right over top of you. You know that? I've been catching them on this swim bait now. Oh,
Yeah.
that's the second one that got off.
I didn't see it.
It didn't count. Yeah, they're hitting this swim bait. I think they filled a tail or something because the water's murky.
Right?
Huh? It's like a translucent white.
They're hitting it crazy up there.
Where are they?
Did you not get your kayak up there?
Nah. I'll have to wait till it's clear. Maybe I can walk it up there.
It was pretty deep when I went up there.
Was it?
Yeah.
Next time I'll take, if the water's a little clearer, I'll take my pedals out and try to make it up there. If not, I'll pull it up by hand.
I can drag you up there too one day.
I'd like to go the whole way up there.
I was pretty close.
Yeah, like I'd like to go to the dam someday. I don't know how you can get up there.
You can walk right there.
Can you walk
It's real
it?
shallow.